Once we are done with highlight cell rules, the next part is something known as top bottom rules. Now, many a times there might be a scenario that you don't have much of time and you just want to highlight the top 10 items out of a given list. Can I do that? Of course, I can do that. Let's see, can we do that on plastic range? I'll select the entire range of plastic, go to Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and this time, instead of going to highlight cells rules, we will go to top bottom rules. Right? Just hover around top bottom rules and a pop-up will appear. From the pop-up, click on top 10 items. Now, as soon as I click on top 10 items, it will ask me that if I want to change top 10 to top 5 or top 15, top 50, whatever. So let's say here we are assuming top 10. Now, either you can let it be the default fill, that is light red fill with dark red text, which will look something like this, or I can go to custom format, click on yellow or any color, OK and OK. Now what this does is this highlights the top 10 items of the entire list. That was very easy and this is very beneficial. Can we do the same with foods? Of course we can. Follow the similar steps and it will be done. Now notice one thing. I am selecting individual list here, not all of them like we did in the earlier video. Why? Because if I select the entire three columns or entire columns or the entire list, what will happen is this time if you select top bottom rules and select top 10 items, it will give you the top items, top 10 items from the entire list of these three columns. But we don't need that. That's not useful. What we are concerned with is out of the sales of plastics, what are the top 10 sales? Out of the sales of, let's say, others, what are top 10 sales? So this time we will deal with this individually. Similar to top 10, we also have bottom criteria. So we can go to bottom 10 items and select the bottom 10 items. It will highlight the bottom 10 items for me. We also have something known as above average or below average. So what Excel does is Excel computes an average of the selected numbers. And if I select above average and give a custom format, let's say of blue, what Excel will do is all those numbers or all those values which are above the computed average, Excel will highlight them for you. Okay, so that's how we play with bottom rules and top rules. Hope that was very simple. Go on, try this on the given sheet